Alright, for this next example, we are given f of x equals x squared minus 3x. We know we need f of x plus h also. So we have x plus h squared minus 3 times x plus h. Now, when I FOIL or expand x plus h squared, it's going to look a little funny, but it's going to be the same thing every time. So in this problem, I'm going to show you how I actually FOIL it, and then you're going to see that it just always is going to be the same when we're squaring x plus h. So we know that's x plus h times x plus h. I'm going to go ahead and distribute that minus 3 to get minus 3x minus 3h. Now I'm going to FOIL. X times x gives me x squared. X times h, you can write it as xh or hx. It's the same thing, but just keep it consistent, because now I have h times x and h times h. So h times x, instead of writing hx, I'm going to also write that as xh. And h times h is h squared. Then I have minus 3x minus 3h still. Now I just want to combine like terms, and then I'll be all set up. So I have x squared. I have 2xh's plus an h squared minus 3x minus 3h. Now I can go ahead and set up my limit. So I have the limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h, which we just expanded and simplified. I'm going to write that out. And then I'm subtracting f of x. So minus x squared minus 3x all over h. Now this looks like a lot, but anything that just has an x or an x squared in it, or if it were x cubed, those all wind up canceling out. X squared minus x squared cancels. Negative 3x minus negative 3x also cancels. Okay? So now our limit's going to look a lot neater. We have 2xh plus h squared minus 3h. All of this goes over h. We see that every term has an h in it, so we can go ahead and factor it out. So we have h times 2x plus h minus 3 all over h. The h's cancel, so I substitute 0 in for h, not for x, just for h. So I have 2x plus 0 minus 3, which simplifies to 2x minus 3. The function was given in terms of f of x, so when we write our final answer, it's f prime of x, just like we did y prime. So it's f prime of x is equal to 2x minus 3.